Hi everyone, welcome back to CatNest, an educational institution. I am Arshia. Today I will be teaching you how to draw histogram overlapping in Excel and change the bin size. Today let's take a look at how we can quickly create a histogram chart in Excel. First of all, what is histogram good for? Well, it is great for checking how the data is spread within a range. So for example, you want to understand the employee salary distribution within your company. You can use a histogram chart to find the number of people who earn a salary within a specific range. This makes histograms great for some cases when you have data with large value ranges and you would like to understand the distribution when you use an Excel histogram. You can also set and adjust your own data ranges, which can also called as bin. Let's set one example. So let's start it. So in this case we are taking a look at salary distribution. We have specified the three grouping here and we can quickly tell that 20 people falls into 30,000 to 70,000 salary range. And we have two people that earn less than or equal to 30,000 and one person earning more than 2 lakh. Let's start by practical. This is my data, names, entry date and salary I have taken here. So firstly I am selecting my entire data. Go to insert and insert the histogram. Now you might be fine with the standard histogram chart that you get. But you will want to adjust the bins here. So here right side you will get format plot area. In this option we have to use horizontal axis. Then select this axis option here. Here bin width. Suppose if I need to change here bin width, just click on this. So instead of 48,000 I am going to change that into 40,000. And press enter. So immediately I can see that the number of bins change into 5. It would also be nice to have the ranges rounded to 1000. I can control that, so I can define overflow and underflow bin. For overflow bin, which means the highest point, is something I am going to manually set. I will change that to 2,50,000 and press enter. So I am adding here 2,50,000 and press enter. For the underflow bin I am going to change that as well. So instead of minus 6,699 I am changing it in 30,000 and press enter. Now my ranges, look at this chart. All I have to do is to activate the data labels. So select the series, mouse right click and then use here add data labels. Let's make them bit big. And make them bold. And I'm done, and all of this is automatic. So if I take Vijay out of this range here, let's say he get a demotion and he goes down to 40,000. And press enter. The first range automatically increase and the second range is decrease. So I will add here chart title as salary. So if you are already using histogram in your files, comment below and let us know what purpose you are using for. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe and wait for my upcoming video. I'll teaching you how to use some more interesting topic in Excel. Thank you.